So till now we have seen how we can create the HTML file and utilize the JavaScript inside it by printing some content, and we have also seen where we can put the script tag either in the head tag or in the body tag at the bottom, and we have seen which is more better approach in order to place the JavaScript content. Now let me add some content that will be external to our HTML page, and we will utilize that particular external file in our HTML file. So we have created one HTML file. Now we are trying to get the script file external to our HTML page, and we will add let me add one folder JS, and inside this add a file myscript file.js. Here we will add some functionality. Let me add one method that will alert some greetings. Let me give it a name called let us say greet, and inside this we will alert some greeting. Hello, this is from external JavaScript file. Now we will call this particular method from our HTML file. Let me add a button, and on click of this particular button we will call that particular method. Let us open this particular file in browser. So when we are clicking on greet, it should alert. Let us see why it is not alerting. So this is saying like greet is not defined. So we have defined our script file inside JS folder, and we forget to add the complete path, that is JS/ then our file. Let us see. Now it is showing you the particular greet on click of the button. So in this way we can add external content to our HTML with the help of source. So in this way we can have the benefit of putting the JavaScript file external to our HTML page, and we have some benefit over it, like it separates the HTML and the JavaScript code, and it makes HTML and JavaScript easier to read and maintain in future, and it also caches the JavaScript file and gives some speed to our page loading. And if you want to add some more files, then you need to add separate script tag for that. If you have JavaScript file 1, 2 and 3, then you have to add 3 script tag, and inside there you have to give each and every file path. So in this way you can give the file to the external. Thank you so much.